Hello everybody, my name is Carolina Manotas Lerma and this is mini lesson. The topic for today is the use of an and a. An we use when the first letter is a vowel. For example, an agenda, an egg, an eraser. The first letter is a vowel. A we use when the first letter is a consonant. For example, a flower, a notebook, a tree. When use an with a vowel, we don't always use an when the first letter is a vowel, but its sound is consonant. For example, unicorn, unicorn. Your sound is consonant. You, the letter Y is a vowel. The first letter is a vowel, but its sound is consonant. Another, hero, hero. The first letter is a I. The first letter is the vowel I, but your sound is consonant. And hero. Let's remember some examples. An egg, an apple, an orange, an elephant, an egg. A cat, a dog, a car, a house. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you like. Bye bye.